Welcome! The following video will show you how to use your ELAN Touch Panel, or the ELAN 8 app, to stream audio to your rooms. Note: if you're using the ELAN 8 app and your mobile device is in portrait orientation, your menu format and button locations may be slightly different from what you see in this video. Simply rotate your device to a landscape orientation to resemble the format shown in this video. Begin by tapping the Media icon to access the Media Control interface. The Media Zones page will display, and you'll see all of your rooms, which contain audio or video equipment controlled by your ELAN system. You can quickly turn audio devices on or off by locating the desired room and then tapping the down arrow. You'll see a drop-down list of all audio and video devices. Tap the audio device you want to turn on. You'll now see a music icon, which indicates this room is currently streaming music. Note: since this music icon is customized system to system per dealer preference, your music icon may look different from what you see in this video. If you want to mute this device, tap the icon with a speaker and an X symbol. Use the plus and minus buttons to change the volume for this device. Whenever you want to turn all media off in a room, simply tap the music icon, or whatever other device icon you see, and then tap Off. If you want to turn off media in all of your rooms, slide the All Zones Off slider to the right. If you want to change a room's audio to a different radio station, playlist, podcast, etc., tap the right arrow next to the desired room. The radio station, or album and song that's currently streaming in the room, will display in the top right corner, and below the audio information, you'll see a set of controls. In this example, a radio station is currently playing. Below the controls, you'll see a list of the streaming audio services available. Note: your available stations and streaming services will be determined by your provider and may be different from what you see in this example. In this example, you can see that we're listening to On Broadway on our SiriusXM streaming service. If I tap here on the TuneIn logo, the interface changes, allowing me to browse all music, sports, or talk radio channels. I can also tap Local Radio to browse all radio stations near my location. To navigate back a page, tap the back arrow button and tap the button with an arrow and folder to navigate all the way back to the room's media page. You'll see the newly selected station or album on screen. Let's say you want to stream the same radio station or album in a few different rooms. You can group rooms together so they'll stream identical music. Navigate back to the Media Zones page and then tap the gear icon located in the top right corner. Select each room you want in this group, and then tap the gear icon to apply your group selections. If you select the group icon, located in the upper right corner, you'll notice there's now a box around the newly created group. You can see what is currently playing in that group. You'll notice there's a master row, as well as rows for each individual room. Any changes you make to the master row will apply to all rooms within that group. Any changes you make to an individual room within the group will only apply to that single room. To change the music selection for all the rooms within the group, tap either the album cover icon or the right arrow icon, and then follow the steps we discussed earlier to select the streaming service, and then select the desired radio station, album, playlist, or podcast. Enjoy streaming audio with your ELAN system. For additional questions regarding audio streaming, contact your ELAN integration professional.